I'm Chopsicle the Dog, and this is Cat versus Dog Gaming by Noodle and Bun. It's clack, 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 clack. Oh. Oh, he wants the game too. Oh, he's got an egg timer. He's giving him 20 minutes. And then it's Dog's turn. It's Bun's turn. What? He reset the timer. That's not fair. Come on, Cat. Come on, Noodle. Oh, nobody's there. Oh, he tricked him. I love it. Look how he's wearing his headphones. That's so cool. All right, so the cat's got some duct tape. Oh, it says Pug Live. Is Bun supposed to be a pug? I think he is. Oh, that's not a car at all. He's not happy about it. All right, how's he going to get him now? Oh, fishing. Oh, it's a mouse. Cats can't resist mice. He's got to follow it. Oh, he's going after it. That was so smart, Bun. Oh, it's on. It's on like Fight Revolution. They're going to take each other on. This is what they should have done in the first place. Just gamed against each other. Oh, who's doing the button mashing? Who's just mashing buttons? Who's got the skills? Who's the sweat? Oh, Noodle seems to be fire, guys. He's so lit. Oh, Noodle. He's got the tail action. Oh, the dog can't use the tail. He's at a disadvantage. Oh, he's just using the blocking technique. That's really annoying sometimes. But it's not working. Bun got him. Yeah, let's go, Bun. There's like a duck in the background. Bun. He's like, #1 player. And I just realized the dog's name is Bean in the game. I don't know if that's supposed to be Bun or what, but anyway, as always, I left a link to the original video down in the description. And I'm Chopsicle the Dog. Tell me I'm a good boy by subscribing and liking the video.